3 key points to train a successful salesperson. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Now today I would like to talk about the second phase, which is the sales training formula. Now this sales training formula, there's 3 important key points that you need to know in order to train your salesperson. So the first point is the buyer journey. We need to have the salesperson being trained to understand the pain point of your client. Now the pain point could refer to, for example, your client have a specific problem to be solved and they are actually looking for different solutions. And your salespeople go in to make contact with them and to discover more pain points for them. And with all the pain points that's being discovered, which lead to a purchase. So the pain point journey, the buyer journey could be long, could be short. It depends on the kind of question that's being asked by the salesperson. So this buyer journey, make sure that the salesperson is being trained upon. Next is the sales process. Now the initial contact, when we go back to the buyer journey, means that how does your salesperson contact your potential client? Is he engaging on a phone call, or face-to-face, or through emails? Now the best form of communication is face-to-face. Find out more, understand the personality, understand the body language of your client, and do follow up. Always ask for a second date, a third date to follow up with the next contact, or providing more information that the client requests. So in a way, the more contact you have, the higher chance it is for your salesperson to close the deal. Now there's a study that the more contact that you have with a client increase, the percentage of closing the deal increases as well. So after 13 contacts, typically the sales will close. Contacting the client for maybe 6 times, 7 times, and you'll find out that actually there isn't any solutions that the client looking for which you can provide. And the salesperson also need to understand when he need to stop following up with the client. Not all sales will lead to closing, but if you do have the product and services that matches what the client want, and the closing part is just a matter of following up, and at which point all the doubts of the customer have been cleared, a close will take place. Point number 3 is a qualifying matrix. Now there are 4 main areas which a salesperson need to understand about the potential client. Number 1 is the budgeting. Does the client have a budget now to purchase your product or service? If not, when? And also, who are the authorized person to sign for this deal? Is it 1 person or 2 person or multiple heads of in the company? The salesperson need to understand this part of the sales process. The best person to bring into the discussion table would be the financial controller or the financial manager that's controlling the budget. Always train the salesperson to look for the correct authority, the person that's in charge. If not, you'll be wasting time and wasting a lot of effort to continuously contact people that's indirectly related to closing the deal. And the qualifying matrix also talk about the needs. Does the need matches with all that you can provide? And at the same time, you uncover more pain points or problems that you can help a client to solve. And also, like talk about timing. Is it the right time? Is it financial closing? Or when is the next time that you can actually contact the client, possibly talk about this deal? Does the client already have a contract with another provider? So all this come into place where your salesperson need to understand from the customer standpoint. So in summary, the 3 key points that your salesperson need to be trained on is the buyer journey, understand the customer pain point, and discover more pain point for them. Number 2 is the sales process, which your salesperson need to be trained on how to contact the person, contact the right person, doing the follow-up and closing. Third key point is the qualifying matrix. How do you qualify that this client actually fits into your sales process, where we look into all the different parameters like the budget, the authority, what is the customer needs, and is it the right timing. I hope this video is useful to you, and if you like this video, do share, subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video of the sales acceleration formula.